We often get told that we've got a choice of web browsers that we can use. And of course, when you install a new one, it always says, would you like to make me your default browser? So you say yes. But what if you don't like it? What if you want to switch back to one of the ones you've already had installed previously? This is really quick and easy to do, and I'm just going to show you how. Easiest way is to click in the search, and you're simply going to type for default apps, or you can misspell it, but as long as you choose default apps on the system settings. This takes you straight in, and what we're going to do is simply scroll down until we get to the bottom option where it says web browser. You can see at the moment mine's set to Edge, but let's say I want to switch to Google Chrome instead. I simply click, it gives me a choice of all the ones that I've got installed. There's Chrome. I simply click, oh, let's switch anyway, because it's Microsoft and Microsoft wants to stay with that. And I'm done. Quick, easy, no issues. I can close the settings window, and now going forward, all of my links will automatically go to Google. Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm a tech trainer. I'm here to share tips and tricks to save you time and frustration with using your everyday programs. Please like the video if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to be notified when I post new videos, and click that little bell for the notifications to actually come through.